언제나 함께 있었음해 모든 게 다 통하니까 feels like daydreaming.
Hey y'all, in today's video we are going to do a unboxing, but we're going to do the unboxing backwards, okay? Here's our packaging because, you know, somehow I lost the footage. So here's our packaging. These beads came from the Sassy Bead Shoppe. I have the Animal Instinct, which I love. I have them from, a nice pom-pom to go on them. The Fly Falcons bead mix. I love that. I got some cord with it, these spacers, and this badge roll kit before I realized that we did not have the footage that we needed. So there is that. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Check out all of the other content on my channel. Please consider subscribing, liking, leaving me a comment, sharing out the video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Welcome back. So without further ado, as I stated, that was this is the unboxing done backwards. And these did come from the Sassy Bead Shoppe. Look how gorgeous these are. I love it. And then I bought some beautiful spacers as well. Okay. So in today's video, it is going to be done a little different. Okay. These are some materials that you're going to need. You're, of course, going to need pliers. You're going to need your beads. You're going to need a clip. You're going to need some scissors. And you're going to need a lighter, okay? And you are going to. So what we are going to do now, I suggest, if you're like me, you always, especially because I'm live, you know, or not live. This is a pre-recorded video, but something in a pre-recorded video still can go wrong. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this clip. You're going to pull out some of the badge reel, and you are going to use the clip to stop it from going back in, okay? Because remember, you only get so much retraction, and I think that's too, oops. I think that's too much. So we're going to retry that. I think that, ooh, it keeps leaving me as I'm trying to clip it off. Okay, guys. So that should be more than enough. So we're going to try to make sure. Okay, so y'all got a good visual. All right, so now what we're going to do is where's the opening? So guys, what I'm looking for is the opening to take this out. All right, I don't really see it, but I know it, there it is. Okay, and you just pull away in this instance, okay? You're gonna pull away to get this out. All right, and we're just gonna sit this right there like so, okay? Now, this has a knot on the inside. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that off. You're gonna pull that knot out. And it may or may not want to come out for you. So you have to force it out, okay? So now what you're going to do, and if it doesn't look like it's going to be enough once you cut it, just pull it a little bit more, because remember, there's only so much retraction in these lovely little badge rows, okay? So now that that end is, you know, kind of frayed, oops, you're just gonna sear it just a little bit, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to start, where did that bead go? There it is. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start beading this. And I mean, there's no right or wrong way. You just bead this the way you want it. The only thing I do suggest is, because it has words on it, is to make sure that you are stringing it up the right way so that when it hangs down, it can be read. That is my only suggestion there. But you know, you do it how you want to do it. And these usually don't, you know, take too entirely long to do. Now, what you want to do is, once you get everything strung up, beaded up, however you want to call it, you want out without clipping your finger, okay? Like I just did. You want to make a knot. And me personally, I think that knot is too thin. It's not. But to be extra careful, because my luck will be, it'll come apart. All right, so once you are sure that that is not moving, just to be extra careful, go ahead and go ahead and tie it a third time. And you can also use like nail glue from the dollar store or Family Dollar, wherever you want to get that from. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut that off. And again, making sure your knot is tight and that this isn't going anywhere. So once your knot is tight, you can go ahead and release that. And this is what you have, or should have, thus far, okay? This is what you should have thus far. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to put this little doohickey back in here. I said doohickey because I can't think of the name right now. Clip. Does that sound about right? And the only thing it keeps doing is it does not want to stay. Hang on, guys. Let me get this in here where it should be. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's see if I can get it all the way through one side. And this is where your pliers will come in handy as well, because you just, well, Jesus Christmas. So as you can see, this is the most aggravating part of it, of doing a badge reel, is getting this little piece back through where it goes. Because once you take it out, let's see. Let's open it up some more. Is that what it wants? Because we can do that. Now, I'm going to be careful with these pink ones because they get like just cut it, and cutting it would be bad because those are actually wire cutters, and we definitely, guys, this, I'm telling you, is the most difficult part of it. Okay, now that we finally got it through, we don't want to let that go. And then you want to take this part that you took back off, and you want to, let's just go ahead and do that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch where I'm holding, which pliers I have, because I want to mash. Oops, I just want to make sure I get that in. Oh, where did it drop to, guys? All right. Luckily, it didn't. Everything wants to drop. How about that? Okay. And then you want to mash it. Guys, I promise this is the most stressful part of it. Is putting it back together. Ew, my goodness. Okay. Unbelievable. And I'm going to use there we go. Woo! And you just want to make sure you get it lined back up. So once I have it like that, I'm just going to take these pair of pliers, hopefully, and give them I gave them a little too much of a push. So let's bring it back out just a TT. Ooh. All right. So that's what we have. All right. I don't think that is going anywhere, even though it is not lined completely up, but I don't see where it should be able to. Let me bring this just a little bit closer to me for just a moment, because I need to make sure that this is not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, see? Okay, so I got it back open. And we want these two to line up as close as possible. And you want to try and mingle them. Okay. So all right, so I got that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to singe that metal just a little bit. Be careful doing this. Whew. Okay. Yep. Again, so be careful doing that, because one or two things could happen, and you don't want either one to happen. And what you essentially want to do now is try and have tug of war with the metal to see if you can get that clamp to come back and stay through the hole. It may or may not work. If it does not, that's fine. It's just more of a cosmetic type thing, but there you have it. Okay, so as you guys saw, that is the hardest part, is restringing it. I mean, not restringing it, is re-putting that metal piece back in. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what putting the bad drill on. So I'm going to just take the current bad drill that I have on here, and I'm just gonna okay. Sheesh. I have to be very, very careful because my card number is on the back of this. So this is, let me make myself bigger so I can make sure that I'm protecting, because I have my card on the back of this. All right, so there is what we have. I have the bad drill on. Okay, so look how cute that is, and you still have enough room, you know, so it's retracting fine. So that is our bad drill, guys. Okay, that's our bad drill. How cute. I love that. All right, so I'm gonna make it bigger one more time. Ooh, showing you guys our nice bad drill up close, and it's retractable. All right, so thank you guys for watching my backwards video. Sorry I lost the footage. Again, this came from Sassy Bead Shoppe, sassybeadshoppe.com. If you are interested in purchasing anything from the Sassy Bead Shoppe, it has totally been my pleasure to bring you this video on how to make a badge reel. Okay, and our next video, we will refocus back on probably making, you know, a different type of wristlet. We have so many videos coming up, it's just mind-blowing. So again, it's a pre-record day for me, so you may see me in this same shirt for a number of videos. Just know they were all recorded the same day. Happy crafting. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay crafty. Peace.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 The chemistry is